Oatmeal, a breakfast staple, boasts a heart-healthy reputation. It's a versatile dish that can be enjoyed in many ways, from sweet to savory, making it a favorite for many. It's rich in soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which can lower LDL cholesterol. This type of fiber forms a gel-like substance in the gut, which helps to reduce the absorption of cholesterol into the bloodstream. LDL cholesterol, often called bad cholesterol, contributes to plaque buildup in arteries. Over time, this buildup can lead to atherosclerosis, a condition that narrows and hardens the arteries. By reducing LDL cholesterol, oatmeal can help protect against heart disease. Regular consumption of oatmeal can be a simple yet effective way to maintain cardiovascular health. Studies show that consuming just 3 grams of beta-glucan daily, easily attainable with a bowl of oatmeal, can significantly improve cholesterol levels. This small dietary change can have a big impact on your overall health. This reduction in cholesterol translates to a lower risk of heart attacks and strokes. Incorporating oatmeal into your daily routine can be a proactive step towards a healthier heart. Oatmeal also provides antioxidants, which further contribute to heart health by protecting against cell damage. These antioxidants help to neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Beyond its heart benefits, oatmeal surprises with additional health perks. It's a good source of magnesium, a mineral crucial for muscle and nerve function. Oatmeal also provides phosphorus, essential for strong bones and teeth. Moreover, oatmeal contains antioxidants called avenanthramides, unique to oats. Research suggests avenanthramides possess anti-inflammatory properties and may protect against certain cancers. Oatmeal's fiber content also promotes gut health, which can indirectly benefit the immune system. Oatmeal's role in weight management sparks debate. On one hand, its fiber content promotes satiety, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. This can prevent overeating and aid in weight loss. Oatmeal's protein content, though moderate, also contributes to feelings of fullness. However, oatmeal's calorie content can be a concern. While a plain bowl cooked in water is relatively low in calories, adding toppings like sugar, dried fruit, or nuts can quickly increase the calorie count. Portion control is key when incorporating oatmeal into a weight management plan. Oatmeal, renowned for its digestive benefits, can also pose digestive challenges. Its high fiber content promotes regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. Fiber adds bulk to stool, making it easier to pass. However, consuming large amounts of oatmeal, especially if not accustomed to a high-fiber diet, can lead to bloating, gas, and stomach cramps. Gradually increasing fiber intake allows the digestive system to adapt. Drinking plenty of water alongside oatmeal can also help prevent digestive discomfort. Section 5. Oatmeal and nutrient absorption, a cause for concern. While oatmeal offers a wealth of nutrients, there's a caveat. It contains phytic acid. Phytic acid, found in many grains, can bind to minerals like iron, zinc, and calcium, hindering their absorption. However, this doesn't mean you should avoid oatmeal. Soaking oats overnight before cooking can reduce phytic acid content. Consuming vitamin C-rich foods alongside oatmeal can also enhance iron absorption. Section 6. Expert opinions, navigating the oatmeal debate. In this section, we delve into the various perspectives and insights from nutrition experts on the role of oatmeal in a balanced diet. Experts generally agree that oatmeal, consumed in moderation, can be part of a healthy diet. It is often praised for its high fiber content, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. Oatmeal is a nutrient-rich grain that provides numerous health benefits, says registered dietitian. Insert name. It is a great source of essential vitamins and minerals, including iron, magnesium, and B vitamins, which are crucial for overall health. However, experts caution against making it the sole staple of one's diet. While oatmeal is beneficial, relying solely on it can lead to nutritional deficiencies. Variety is key, emphasizes insert name, highlighting the importance of a balanced diet that includes a range of whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean protein sources. Incorporating different foods ensures that you get a wide array of nutrients necessary for optimal health. Experts also stress the importance of choosing minimally processed oatmeal varieties and avoiding added sugars and unhealthy toppings. Opting for steel-cut or rolled oats can maximize the health benefits, while adding fresh fruits or nuts can enhance the nutritional value without compromising health. Section 7. Finding your oatmeal sweet spot. Tips for healthy consumption. Oatmeal is a versatile and nutritious breakfast option that can be tailored to suit your taste and dietary needs. To reap the benefits of oatmeal without potential downsides, moderation and mindful preparation are key. It's important to balance your oatmeal with other food groups to ensure a well-rounded diet. Start with a small portion, gradually increasing as your body adjusts to the fiber content. This helps prevent digestive discomfort and allows your body to get used to the increased fiber intake. Choose steel-cut or old-fashioned oats over instant varieties, which are more processed and often contain added sugar. These less processed options retain more nutrients and have a lower glycemic index. Sweeten your oatmeal naturally with fresh or frozen fruit instead of sugar. Berries, bananas, and apples are excellent choices that add vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Boost protein and healthy fats by adding nuts, seeds, or nut butter. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are great options that enhance the nutritional profile of your meal. Experiment with savory oatmeal toppings like vegetables, herbs, and a poached egg for a savory twist. This can be a delicious and satisfying way to enjoy oatmeal, offering a unique flavor profile and additional nutrients. Section 8. The bottom line: to oat or not to oat. Oatmeal, with its heart-healthy fiber, essential nutrients, and potential downsides, presents a nuanced dietary dilemma. While not a magic bullet, it can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet when consumed mindfully. Listen to your body, choose minimally processed varieties, and experiment with different toppings to find your oatmeal sweet spot. As with any dietary decision, consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian can provide personalized guidance based on your individual needs and health goals.